Hello friends, welcome to my channel Picture Fan. Today we are going to learn how to sweep any face with any image with the help of AI. So let's begin the tutorial. This one is the very easiest tutorial. So just open vidnos.com. It's a face sweep website, so you can see the complete template. So this one is the site. So just upload one picture. Where to upload? So I just upload this image. Just open this one. So this one is uploaded, and first I am going to upload the image that I have want to face. So this one is my target image. I think this one is good for my artwork, so I just add this face. Okay, and now just click on sweep face. Now just wait, and we are going to get the result very soon. So my friend, you can see that the result is pretty awesome and pretty cool. You can get the result. You can download this one. Just first sign in. So this one is downloaded. Just off this one, and you can also add more images. So my friend, you can see the result. The result is really cool, and I hope you can understand everything, and I hope you can try with your own way, and you can download this one from this area. So this one is downloaded. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new tutorial. Goodbye.